morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Well, it's morning for me. This upload probably won't be uploaded in the morning, but welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, I see we got a couple of new people to the channel. Thank y'all for subscribing. If you're new to the channel, my name is Mo, and this is my channel, Mo Nation. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button, and you check out some of my other videos. But make sure y'all follow my business page at Rich Creation LLC. I make custom shirts, motivational shirts, and I have my own brand that I'm promoting. I make custom cups. This is one of my LSX cups that I made. So I make stuff like that. I have other cups that I made, matching vehicles and matching my car and stuff like that. So make sure y'all y'all go give my business page a follow and give my personal Instagram. If you're new to the channel, thank you, and you subscribe. I really appreciate it that you subscribe. We got a couple of new people to the channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, because I got a lot of people that is watching that's not subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Look at that Pontiac symbol in the corner. I think it's right here, and hit that subscribe button. Go watch some of my other videos. So we're gonna go ahead and skip to the intro, and then I'm gonna be right back. Perfect. All right, so if you don't know already, today I'm going to install new shock struts, Hibachi springs, lowering springs. So I'm going to lower the G8 a little bit. If you don't know, I had to drive my car to work, which I work in the oil field. So I had to drive my car to work for about 8 months. And if you're new to the channel, you probably don't know that I do have a 99 Dodge Durango 4x4 that I use for work now. So before I had the Durango, I was driving my G8 to work on multiple harsh dirt roads and stuff. And yeah, and eventually it has taken a toll on the G8 suspension wise. Some of the suspension is all messed up. It's making a lot of noise. I think there's the struts and stuff, and the strut mounts and all that stuff they're finished. So I decided to just go ahead and just replace everything. Go ahead and get it done. Put some lowering springs also while I'm taking all that stuff off anyway. So right now we are headed to, if you haven't seen my video about getting the new wheels for the G8, go check that out. But right now we're headed back to the Fender guy. Alright, so everybody, going to get the new mods installed in the car. So this is gonna be the last time it looks like this. Hopefully it looks a little different. So hopefully it looks a little different from how it's sitting right now. So I'm gonna see y'all there. Oh yeah, you can see it kind of coming down a little bit too. You can tell that it's lower too.
What's that?
The front is still coming down some. It looked like it's coming down. So I just left the Fenderrollerguy, and my car honestly is riding a whole lot better. Like, it's a lot smoother. I feel a little something, but it's probably because it needs alignment now. So whenever I go get the alignment, I'm gonna make sure they check make sure that the wheels are balanced and all that stuff. As far as it looks like, you can tell that it's lower, but the front is not. The front is not as low, but I don't know. I like it the way it is. Like I said, it's riding better, and that was the most important thing. So for all you if y'all looking to get your fenders rolled and you're in San Antonio or the surrounding area or passing through or whatever, looking for somebody to install some suspension parts, y'all make sure y'all hit up the Fenderrollerguy. Put all his information down in the link. You know, I'm gonna have all the stuff you can have to get to reach him. So right now I'm about to go clean the car, and then I'm gonna do a little shot with it, just showing y'all, you know, how it look and stuff like that. I know y'all saw a little bit of it from when he lowered it down, but I'm gonna show y'all. And honestly, I'm happy with the pedalers. So hopefully the front settles down a little bit and it's a little lower, but if not, then that's fine. I mean, I'm not mad. Like I said, they do a great job. So it didn't even take them that long to really do it. So I think I missed my exit. Damn it. So let me go ahead and get off the camera, and I'm gonna see y'all on the next shot. So what's up, everybody? So I'm back on the camera. Y'all saw my little intro of my car. I want to thank you. If you made it this far, watch the whole video all the way through. I really appreciate it. I forgot to do like a little outro after that. Well, I actually got kind of busy, so I didn't get to do an outro because I was, if you could see my girl and my sister in the car with the 2 kids. So I'm doing it. I'm actually, as we speak right now, I'm at work, and I'm actually editing while I'm at work. And so I'm actually, like I said, I'm editing while I'm at work. So I'm making this little outro, just trying to say, so I'm making this little outro for the video. Video should, today's Sunday. Hopefully I have the video up by Monday, which is tomorrow or Tuesday. If not, then I mean, I have it up hopefully by Tuesday and Wednesday. But I want to say, like, is there anything you ever want to do, like, just do it, just try it. All you gotta do is try. Like, I can't preach that enough. Like, I say it all the time, just go for it. Like, just do it. Like I said, like right now I'm actually at work. So if you don't know, you haven't figured out by now, I do work in the oil field. So I mean, I have a pretty good job and stuff like that, but still I'm going out there trying to pursue the things that I love, because this is not something that I really love doing. I just do it because I make good money. But as you can see, all this, and the rig is over there. Y'all can see the rig. So I stay on that rig for 2 weeks. So there's really not much to do. All I do is pretty much work 24/7. And then I go home for a week and I try to get all this stuff done for the videos and stuff. I'm always talking about do what you love, do what you love, do what you love. I say that because I work with people that's like way older than me. I just turned 24, so I work with people that's the same age as my pops, 50 and up. And there's not one person, y'all, not one person over there. There's not one person on that rig right now that likes their job. Not one. And we all make good money, but not one person on that rig loves their job. Now one person can honestly say they love what they do. Everybody has the same answer, saying that hey man, I make good money and that's why I do it. That's it. So I'm a living witness. I'm telling you, like, make sure you do what you love, especially when you're in your 20s. Dude, your 20s is the time for you to mess up. Alright? It's the time for you to mess up because you still got time to get it right. So do what you love. Go watch my other videos and hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe. Go follow me on my Instagram at justthatkid with 2 underscores and 2 D's at the end. Also go follow my business page where I sell motivational t-shirts and I sell customized cups and stuff like that, like customized tumblers and different little things. Make sure y'all go check that out at RICHCREATIONSLLC on Instagram and Facebook. So, and like I said, thank y'all for watching. You know, I really appreciate y'all for watching. I really appreciate y'all for sharing. I appreciate y'all for sending me messages on Facebook. I'm Facebook and Instagram, and I'm a small YouTuber. So I'm trying to grow. So make sure y'all share this with your friends too. And so I hope y'all have a good day. If you're not having a good day, I hope you get better. And if the day hasn't started yet, I hope your day becomes a great day. So thank you for watching. It's your boy Mo, and I'll see y'all in the next video.